The ego and the pursuit of superiority, a modern dilemma. In today's hyper-competitive world, the ego often drives individuals to seek superiority over others in various aspects of life. This relentless quest for being better, having more, and impressing others is fueled by an intrinsic desire to assert one's status and worth. The implications of this pursuit permeate through possessions, accomplishments, and personal attributes, shaping behaviors and societal norms in profound ways. From the allure of luxury cars to the pursuit of professional success, from the obsession with physical appearance to the race for educational accolades, the ego's influence is both pervasive and profound. Today we explore the multifaceted aspects of the ego's impact, examining how it manifests in material possessions, professional success, physical appearance, education, and the broader social and cultural implications. The ego and its influence. Imagine a world where every action is a bid for recognition, a quest to outshine others. This is the world shaped by the ego. At its core, the ego represents one's sense of self-importance and identity. Sigmund Freud, the father of psychoanalysis, described the ego as the mediator between our primal desires, moral constraints, and the realities of the external world. In this context, the ego drives people to achieve, compete, and to distinguish themselves from others. This inherent need for validation and recognition can lead to positive outcomes, such as innovation, progress, and personal growth. However, when the ego becomes excessively dominant, it can result in unhealthy competition, materialism, and social disparity. Material possessions and social status. Picture the gleaming luxury cars, sprawling mansions, and designer wardrobes that dominate social media feeds and advertisements. These are not merely items, they are status symbols, declarations of success and superiority. The accumulation of material possessions is a common manifestation of the ego's desire for superiority. Expensive cars, large houses, designer clothes, and other luxury items are often perceived as symbols of success and higher social status. Owning such items can provide a temporary boost to one's self-esteem and serve as a way to impress others. However, this focus on material wealth can lead to a never-ending cycle of consumption, where satisfaction is fleeting, and the pursuit of the next best thing becomes perpetual. Consumer culture exacerbates this phenomenon, with advertising and social media perpetuating the idea that happiness and success are directly tied to material possessions. The relentless pursuit of material wealth can lead to financial strain, increased debt, and a diminished sense of fulfillment. Moreover, this focus on outward appearances often distracts from more meaningful pursuits and relationships, leading to a superficial and ultimately unsatisfying way of life. Professional success and career ambitions. In the high-stakes arena of the workplace, the ego's influence is unmistakable. Many individuals strive for better-paying jobs, higher positions, and prestigious titles as a way to assert their superiority. The desire for professional success can drive people to work harder, acquire new skills, and achieve remarkable feats. This ambition can lead to significant personal and professional growth, fostering a sense of purpose and accomplishment. However, the downside of this drive for career advancement can be severe. A hyper-competitive work environment can result in stress, burnout, and a diminished quality of life. The pressure to constantly outperform peers and climb the corporate ladder can lead to unethical behavior, strained relationships, and a loss of work-life balance. Furthermore, defining self-worth solely through professional success can create a fragile sense of identity, vulnerable to changes in job status or performance. Physical appearance and health. The quest for the perfect body is another battleground for the ego. Physical fitness and appearance are domains where the ego seeks to assert dominance. Being fitter, healthier, and better looking can enhance one's self-esteem and social standing. This focus on physical attributes can lead to a healthier lifestyle, encouraging individuals to exercise regularly, eat well, and take care of their bodies. These behaviors can result in improved physical and mental health, increased energy, and a greater sense of well-being. However, the societal obsession with physical appearance can also have detrimental effects. The pressure to conform to unrealistic beauty standards can lead to body dysmorphia, eating disorders, and the excessive use of cosmetic procedures. The rise of social media platforms has amplified this issue, with attractive people, curated images and filtered photographs creating an unattainable ideal of beauty. This can lead to feelings of inadequacy, low self-esteem, and a constant need for external validation. Education and intelligence. In the academic world, the ego's desire to be smarter and more educated than others drives individuals to pursue higher degrees, engage in lifelong learning, and develop expertise in various fields. Intelligence and education are highly valued in society, often seen as indicators of one's potential and worth. This pursuit of knowledge can lead to personal enrichment, increased opportunities, and a deeper understanding of the world. While education and intelligence are undeniably valuable, the ego's influence in this area can also lead to negative outcomes. The pursuit of academic accolades and intellectual superiority can foster elitism, where individuals with higher education look down upon those with less formal education. This attitude can create divisions within society, exacerbating social inequality and hindering collaboration and mutual respect. Additionally, the pressure to excel academically can result in stress, anxiety, and a diminished love for learning. Social and cultural implications. The ego's drive for superiority has broader social and cultural implications. It can perpetuate social inequality, as those with more resources and opportunities continue to dominate and marginalize others. This can create a cycle of privilege and disadvantage, where social mobility is limited, and systemic inequalities are entrenched. Moreover, the focus on external success and material wealth can foster a culture of superficiality, where appearances and possessions are valued over intrinsic qualities and genuine human connections. This can lead to a society where people are more concerned with how they are perceived by others than with their own personal growth and fulfillment. The emphasis on competition and individual achievement can undermine community, cooperation, and collective well-being. Finding balance and fulfillment. In a world driven by the ego's pursuit of superiority, finding balance and fulfillment requires a shift in perspective. It involves recognizing the limitations and potential pitfalls of defining self-worth through external achievements and possessions. Embracing intrinsic values, such as compassion, empathy, and self-acceptance can lead to a more meaningful and satisfying life. Cultivating mindfulness and self-awareness can help individuals understand their motivations and detach from the relentless pursuit of external validation. By focusing on personal growth, meaningful relationships, and contributions to the greater good, individuals can achieve a sense of contentment and purpose that transcends the ego's demands. Conclusion? The ego's need to be better than others, have more possessions, money, and impress others is a double-edged sword. While it can motivate individuals to achieve and excel, it can also lead to negative consequences such as materialism, unhealthy competition, and social inequality. Striking a balance between healthy ambition and the appreciation of intrinsic values is crucial for personal fulfillment and societal well-being. By recognizing the ego's influence and striving for a more balanced and compassionate approach to life, individuals can achieve a sense of contentment and contribute to a more equitable and harmonious society. Remember, a famous spiritual teacher once said, "It doesn't matter what you have achieved in life, or who you think you are, the worry and stress of trying to impress others with status, possessions and what other people think of you in your life, will be summed up with a 1-inch dash between your date of birth and date of death on your headstone when you die." Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.